We are from Yuzhne. It used to be in the buffer zone. In 2018, Ukraine came into control of our territory. We have lived near the front line since 2014. We couldn't sleep because of the constant shelling, but still we managed to survive there. On the 5th of April, my milk cow got killed and I was forced to leave. I carried out on foot little amount of my belongings. The rest remained there. Furniture, everything. And then the house got hit. Garage burned down, barn. Still we hoped that war would be over and we could stay there. The Red Cross bought me a cow here, but I didn't have a fridge here because I couldn't take mine with me from the old place. It's very hard to live without it. I have a cow, I need a place to store milk and cottage cheese. It's almost impossible to live without a fridge, you know. Kind house. Thank you so much for the fridge. I needed it very much. Thank you very much for donations and to those who brought this fridge for me. I'm very glad. It's a big happiness for me.
Kind house, we care.